Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So recently we started a online training on Microsoft Fabric. So that is running successfully at morning time. So now again we are starting one more live classes on DAX. So I think everybody should know that DAX is why it is so important while creating reports in Power BI. So basically in this live session, we have deep dive on all kind of functions that are available in DAX and all. So we will try to explain from basic to advanced level. So what are the functions, how it is behaving. For example, if we take any function, what kind of parameters as a input it is accepting and what it is returning. We need to understand all these basics so that you will get a good technical knowledge on while writing any kind of complicated DAX. Okay. So basically in this course duration, we are trying to cover all the functions around 20 days. 20 days duration is available. So and also we are explaining what is the dimension table and fact table, how the data modeling happening between the dimension tables and fact tables, how the filter propagation. So there are different kind of scenarios we are integrating in this course, and all it's completely practical oriented. And also we can see that course content, like there are different kind of sections are like aggregate functions, logical functions, table functions, filter functions, and so relationship functions as well as date and time functions. Okay, if we see aggregate functions, we are covering all kind of functions and also logical functions like and are not, switch, true, if, is, blanks, and variables also. And if you see filter functions, what are the functions that are available? I'm trying to cover all the things. And information functions as well as related and table manipulation and text functions and also datetime functions and time intelligence functions. We are covering all these functions in this course so that you will get complete knowledge on DAX. Okay, once we complete, we can write yourself. So any kind of complicated accent. Okay. So if anyone looking for this live sessions, make sure try to drop an email and you can ask further kind of any questions, any clarifications regarding this course and all. Okay. So start date is December 4th, 2025 and timing is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST and the duration is 22 days and fees 5K. Okay. So I think that's all. Hope you clear all the doubts on that. Still any questions, please drop an email to this email ID. Okay. See you on next video. Bye bye.